Mingla, welcome back from our EatSleepYangon channel. This is Chaw and I will be your host for today. But first of all, I'll let you share from Mr. Robert Bouchon, who is the Advanced Mama Membership Program, and I really appreciate for your help and support for our channel to create a better video. Now, I am currently arrived at the neighborhood around the Kima Street and I'm gonna explore here. So, come along with me, guys. No way, Pa. No way, Pa. 路樣咧900幾隻吧900喎俾吧900用咧好So I bought a condensed mix with fog, which is afternoon snack, which we eat after lunch. So I think the taste is extremely sweet. This is how I like it. Yes, the taste is really sweet, and it contains condensed milk and the coconut flakes. So the taste is really sweet, and I really love to eat sweet. Yeah. So the price of it is 500 ml, so it's around 25 cents. The price is really fair as well. As I can see, the neighborhoods around is really dry and boring. So let's find another place to eat. Behind me is the construction area, and as you can see, the worker has no their safety helmet and safety uniform like this. They are risking their life for earning their own money. So this kind of sad situation in here for the construction worker. So I feel sorry. I feel sad about for them. Yes. So this is the main road in here, so let's cut the road. We have to be patient when we cross the road. Yes. I cut. Behind me is the restaurant called Bakute, and this is like a Singapore style. So I'm so thirsty right now, and I'm gonna find like something to drink here. So let's go. this shop, you can get this Burmese cuisine and Chinese cuisine and some other traditional cuisine in here. So I'm not kind of hungry yet right now. So I'm gonna drink some juice here. So I order papaya juice. So let's wait the order, right? So I got my order now. This is the papaya juice, and they have different types of other drinks in here you can get. But I'm gonna try the papaya juice. So let's taste it. The taste is not that sweet. It is good and fresh. Yes. The price of this is 2,000 Myanmar, so it's around $1. The price is really fair as well. And this is the organic juice. Yeah. So, all right, I'm done here, so let's move. Usually the area around is full of street food and around 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. I think I'm quite early right now. That's why they might not open yet. So that's why this area is so kind of dry right now. Today I show you around the neighborhood of Kema Street, and I'm gonna end up my video here. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you like my video, I'm so sure you will also like this one and this one too. So hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.